Oh, excuse me, I just burped. And I burped again. Okay, I think I got it out of my system. This is a new song called EJECT. It's actually a response to my older semi-original song called Rewind. And this is an all the way original. Co-wrote by Adley Fong Tao. He's in the Bay, San Jose, Wooty Woo. And he wrote a hook and I wrote a verse. He has another verse, but unfortunately I can't sing it for you. So be on the lookout for that. In the meantime, here's a little snippet and I hope you enjoy. And it's the fault of both of us. All we do is fight and then making up. Never thought I'd see the time that you wouldn't be mine. This is what we both get. So I guess it's time to eject from this love. Seems like it's tearing us both apart. Don't wanna have to rewind. Thought you'd always be mine. All I do is regret. So I guess it's time to eject, yeah. And all I do is look around, and everything I see reminds me of you. The dollar menu, your favorite perfume, and the pics that we took up in the photo booth, yeah. And you are my Superman. Can't nobody save me like you can. Tell me, baby, how did we end up in this tragedy? Fault of both of us. All we do is fight and then we make enough. Never thought I'd see the time that you wouldn't be mine. This is what we both get. So I guess it's time to eject from this love. Seems like it's tearing us both apart. Don't wanna have to rewind. Thought you'd always be mine. All I do is regret. So I guess it's time to eject, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh, la 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 la. Oh, 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 oh. Eject, eject. Alright, so this song kind of ended like 40 seconds ago, but hope you enjoyed it.